Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for website. What is call tracking? With call tracking, you'll know before you even pick up the phone. Better yet, you'll have powerful analytics around which ads, campaigns, or search terms inspire your best leads to reach out, so you can invest more into the marketing that moves your business forward. CallRail products. Call tracking. How call tracking works. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Conversation intelligence. Reveal real insight with artificial intelligence. There's a lot you can learn from your team's calls. But for people, scanning call recordings and transcriptions is time-consuming, mind-numbing work. For robots, it's a breeze. They work fast. They don't miss details. And what's more, AI-powered conversation intelligence doesn't analyze one call at a time. Form tracking. While call tracking shows which ad or keyword made someone call, form tracking reveals which made them click submit on a form. Together, they illuminate all your lead activity. And with these combined insights, you'll market and spend smarter. Lead Center. Lead Center is an all-in-one solution for inbound and outbound VoIP calls and text messages. You'll find every customer interaction in this live, unified inbox so you can take calls, send texts, and communicate with your customers using the telephone numbers associated with your business. Smarter marketing for agencies and your clients. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. We work the way you work. Our pre-built integrations let you feed data from CallRail into the marketing tools your clients use most, like HubSpot. You can also use our open API to connect data from CallRail into other tools they may use. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.